Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and confirming which Google account holds the photos. Open Photos, check the storage meter, and verify backup and sync is off so you don't re-upload removed items. Once done, decide whether to remove everything or specific albums. Make a download copy of anything you might need. Make sure to pause syncing on all devices, otherwise deleted items will reappear. This immediate setup gets you into the deletion flow without accidental loss. Now you handle the main deletion steps. On mobile, long press images to multi-select, then tap Delete. On desktop, use Shift-click and the trash icon. Important: deleted items move to trash and still count against your quota for 60 days, so go to Trash and choose Delete Forever to immediately free space. Once done, check the storage meter again. If space remains high, inspect Drive and Gmail because Google One treats them as shared storage, and you may need to delete large attachments or files there. Finish by running the final cleanup and verification. Open Manage Storage or Google One recommendations to clear large backups and duplicates. Remove any remaining high-resolution videos or scans. Once you've reclaimed space, turn off backup and sync on devices you don't want to auto re-upload. If something goes wrong, try signing out and back in, clear the Photos app cache, or delete using the web interface. This often resolves sync mismatches. Remember, deleted content can be recovered from trash for 60.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.